Welcome, Richard's Law Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Yeah, Charger. Union Diehard, number 6. And as with all, and I mean all, Tyco 71 to 75 Chargers, yeah, right here in the front grille it has the 43 from Richard Petty's car. The company that molded all these Chargers and made them for Tyco didn't bother to change out the bumpers on them. And they all have 43 on the front. So if you have a Charger that's not it's a 71 to 75 Dodge Charger, and it's not the Richard Petty, if you look at it, you will see on the passenger side, the drinker side, it'll say 43 right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like you can. But yeah, I'll bring you around here and we'll check this bad boy out. It's a pretty cool car. Yes, this is I guess a NASCAR body with minimal sponsorship. Pretty sure it's all original. It's got the white hubs on it. Really cool. And let's I'll put it on the dyno and we'll get the book out and we'll let her get warmed up on the dyno. Back of the book, the last of the Tyco pages for the Mattel. And there she is right there, number 29. And number 29. 83 to 84 HP7, 6942 part number. It is a 2, which is kind of rare. Number 29. Green, white, orange, number 6. Diehard. Number 2, which means large wheel well. That looks like you guys can read it a lot better at that angle. Yeah. Pretty cool car. I grew up loving Mopars. My uncle, that's all he ever had was Mopars. And kid I went to school with, Dad owned a Dodge dealership, so I'd go up there and hang out sometimes. All Mopar. That's pretty good. HP7 runs better than that Trans Am I did for Friday. I was getting 270 out of it. Of course, it was lighted, but I did a video on headlights. They don't make no difference. Of course, this is a little bit newer one, I'd say. Got a little oil splashing up underneath it. Pretty cool car. Put a little Earl on it and let the oil splash all over the dyno instead of up underneath the body. Shine her up with Novus, clean and shine. Number 1, not 2 or 3. And it also helps the plastic from drying out. Just took that apart the other day, my dyno, took the bottom off of it, and cleaned the oil and rubber off the bottom of it. She's a runner. I like them blacked out bumpers on there. That's real nice. That's cool. I like that. And the old 43 on it. Yeah. Alright, let's take her over to the track. Take her for a few laps. What seems to be the trouble? Let's put it apart. Then those two metal flanges. They go up against the front bulkhead. Sometimes they get a little corroded. Sometimes you take them apart like I just did. You clean them up, you bump them, and it takes the pressure off them. They don't have as much pressure on them. Pickup shoe sends the current through those plates, and it touches the bulkhead of the motor. Cool looking car. It's got that white and orange on it. You can see it real well. Yeah, I love these chargers. I used to race my petty soccer a lot when I was a kid. Dodge Charger. Yeah, Friday's video, that Trans Am and this Charger both have white hubs. Pretty cool cars. Hope you guys like that. So, yeah. Appreciate you guys coming in and checking it out. I think I'm going to do a separate video on my the semi that I made. I got the tractor done on it. It's pretty cool. It's like a midnight blue. Thought about painting up with silver, some stuff on it. The air cleaners on both sides and the horns up top, and paint the amber. I got amber paint for the lights up top, but I'm not that good at it. So, but it is a lighted Mega G Plus. Light button. So yeah. LED light. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's a runner. Yep. Lighted Mega G Plus. It's got the aftermarket from Jag Hobbies. Aftermarket motor. It's got the black bulkhead. Don't buy the green bulkheads. That's just an AFX replacement from the same manufacturer. And you get the one that has the black bulkhead on the front of it. It has a board on it. The board on it has a larger solder spot on it. And it makes it a lot easier to solder the headlight on. These spots here on both sides, they're a lot bigger. Where you can you can just put your headlight wire on it. Put your iron on it, and so it's hot enough, it'll just flow together. I did it live one night, real quick and simple. It turned out real nice. But yeah, might get some decals, put some decals on here, but yeah, trailer turned out pretty cool. I like the trailer. But yeah, I'm gonna probably do a video on it after I'm 100% done with it. For sure, gonna leave it the way it is. I'll do a video and take some laps around the track, and it stays on. It goes fast. I got the rear guide pins are out right now. I took them out, but yeah, there's three more guide pins that need to go in it, but it runs nice. I'll make a video for you guys. You guys can check it out. But yeah, don't be afraid. You know, buy something that you use and it ain't that good a shape. You know, take all the chrome parts off of it, give it a paint job. Put some decals on if you want. Touch everything up. Get your little brush and paint everything, whatever needs to be painted. When you're all done, if it don't look nice, spray some oven off. Easy up oven cleaner on it, clean it all off. Start over. Have fun. It's a hobby. Have fun with it. If it ain't fun, you don't feel like doing it, don't even come in your slot car room. Don't even sit down at the old workbench if you don't feel like doing it. And there's times when I don't feel like doing it. I haven't been feeling like even watching any slot car content hardly at all. Usually early afternoon I'll catch up and respond to everyone's comments, and there's 3 or 4 people that put out something every day just about, and there's a short, and I watch those each day, but some of you have missed a bunch of your content, and one day I'll be sitting there and nothing on TV, and I feel like watching stuff, I'll go through and watch them. But yeah, some of you watch mine, you only watch it for a minute or so. See what kind of car it is. Once you see what car it is, you quit watching. Or you see it on it, some of you just like the dyno. Some of you skip to watch it around the track. You know, get better analytics if you watch the whole thing. You know, turn it on, watch what you want to watch, then walk away and come back a few minutes later. But yeah, appreciate you guys coming in. Subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate that. And yeah, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Appreciate each and every one of my subscribers a lot. And yeah, don't know what to say, just say hi. Leave a little comment. You like the layout or whatever. You like the slot car room. Alright, you guys have a good one. Today's Tuesday. Tonight should be Bob at the Electric Avenue. He does the Virtual Racing League, HO. And today's Wednesday, so last night he did a preliminary. It's not preliminary. It's like practice. There's 3 of them on there, and hopefully get some more people in there and It's pretty cool. Check it out if you ain't checked it out. Wednesday nights, Adam Hurt Slot Cars and More. The original Adam Hurt. He does auction and does family race night. And Thursday's Kenton at HO Slot Cars and Trains. And Saturday is Scott's House of HO. He does his auctions on Saturday nights. And Monday is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Mark's Slot Car Room. Mark's Slot Car Garage does sometimes Saturday, sometimes Sunday. He was doing Sundays around 11 a.m. And lately he's been doing on Saturdays. So if you like a routed track and fast cars, check Mark out. Awesome channel. And yeah, hope I didn't leave anybody out. Look at my backboard and see people's names on there. So yeah. Check out Toju Racing. Todd over there has got a cool channel. Matt, Manchild Motorsports. Check Matt out over there. He does diecast racing. It is cool. The people that get in on that, they paint their cars. They put weight in them, and he's got an awesome track for that. You have to check it out. If you have not seen Manchild Motorsport, you got to check out his track. It's downhill. It's awesome. Those cars fly. Yeah. And check out Josh at 406 Speedway. Josh does drag racing. He's got an awesome drag strip set up. I think it's like 30-some feet long. It's awesome. Check that out. Check out Jim at Jim Slot Car Obsessions. He's got a cool layout. He's working on it. He ain't done with it yet. He's racing on it a little bit. He's doing a lot of dioramas. He loves dioramas. Check him out. And Slightly Mad Slot Cars down under, down Australia. They're doing they do 132, 124, and they do have some HO now. And they got a really cool channel. Check them out. And yeah, appreciate you guys. And today's Tyco Tuesday, so yeah. See you guys Friday for Thank God It's Tyco Friday. Later.